The secret to A+ content that actually works, it starts with this step. And the step is to add Spanish keywords behind your A+ content. A lot of people miss this out, but you can see our client has been generating a significant amount of sales. And if we scroll down to their A+ content down here, right? It looks simple, it looks great, but what we did is we added Spanish keywords behind the A+ content. And Spanish is actually the second most spoken language in the United States. So it can only help you. It won't hurt you. And it's a great opportunity to rank. Right when we added Spanish keywords, so pretty much what we were adding was different keywords, such as their top keywords, right? So if we were adding something like power converter, that's their big keyword. So we did English to Spanish. And we did power converter for car, right? We could copy that, put that in the back end, and then help rank for those keywords. So you should know already what your top keywords are in English. Pretty much just use Google Translate and or ChatGPT to translate them to Spanish, right? So we already did that for one of the keywords. And you can see I just typed in this keyword, right? This is in Spanish. It's pretty much like converter for van in Spanish. And then what happened is after around 3 days, they automatically started ranking for this on the first page. And it's just free organic SEO. There they are, right? So they are on the first page. They're a little bit lower down, but this is free SEO right now. If we double down on this keyword, obviously we could rank higher, but just ranking in general and how easy it is to rank for Spanish keywords because nobody's doing it helps you generate more sales. And you'll be surprised on how many customer service messages I review where the customers are like, do you have this in Spanish? I couldn't find it because it wasn't in Spanish. There's a lot of Spanish speakers out there and they like to search in Spanish as well. So keep that in mind. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your top keywords and then you are going to put them in a list, put them in Google Translate, and then review them and put them in the back end. So in order to put them in the back end, just go to Amazon Seller Central. Let me open this up. Go to advertising, go to A+ Content Manager right here. Once you're in here, then you can see different sections like A+ content and what to do. So we're going to scroll down. So you can see A+ content, or you can create A+ content from complete scratch right here. Start creating A+ content. Click on that and create your own A+ content. If you already have A+ content, it should look something like this. And you can see it looks very, very nice. You're going to click edit. Once you click edit, you're going to be able to edit the images and put backend keywords. There's an edit button right here. And you can actually put backend keywords. Of course, you can put English keywords, but this is your opportunity to put Spanish keywords because the customers aren't going to see them, right? And that's going to help you rank, get your rank juices in SEO, because right now it is extremely easy to rank for Spanish keywords. So we want to be adding those in the back end and potentially ranking for those different keywords if possible. So make sure you're doing those. And that's going to help you. Once you implement all of that, you're just going to go in the top right corner, apply ASINs, save it, make sure it says published and approved. Once that's done, you will be good to go. And you'll start seeing yourself ranking for a lot of different keywords, especially Spanish keywords. And by the way, if you are stuck on Amazon, you're trying to generate more sales, there's a link right in the description. You can go to our website. We are actually giving a free listing audit that you can get. So you just click on that free listing audit button, give us your information, and we'll do a full breakdown of your top sellers, what competitors are doing that you're not, and how to improve your listing, just like we did for this lead recently. All the top improvements, what you can do to improve your listing, improve bullet points, your A+ content. And it's always good to have a second person review it because as humans, we're biased and we know what we're doing. So we can at least give you some free information that's going to help you succeed and generate extra sales. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, A+ content, backend keywords, or anything with Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we'll manage your inventory, customer service, ads, backend SEO, Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.